Hi everybody and welcome back in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make a little flower, and these little flowers are used as accessoires to use when we make a bag or other things like this. So we're going to see the stitches: magic ring, magic loop, the chains, the slip stitch and the treble crochet stitch. So we're going to start by making the magic ring, magic loop. We're going to roll around the finger 3 times the yarn, wrap the yarn and make a slip stitch here. Now we're going to work 6 single crochets into the magic loop. So we're going to insert here the crochet and wrap the yarn, and then work a single crochet as we already know. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we're going to join the first and the last stitch here with a slip stitch, and we close a little bit the center of the magic loop. Now we're going to make 6 petals, and we're going to repeat the same sequence 6 times, which is the same: 3 chains, a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, wrap the yarn and yarn over, pass the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over once more, pass the yarn through 2 loops, and yarn over, pass the yarn through 2 loops. And this is the treble crochet, 3 chains, and we're going to go back here where we have worked the treble crochet, to wrap the yarn and pass 1 loop through the other, which is make a slip stitch. Again, 3 chains, a treble crochet into the next, we insert the hook into the next stitch, and 3 chains, and we insert the hook into the same stitch where we have worked the treble crochet to wrap the yarn and make a slip stitch, pass 1 loop through the other, again 3 chains, a treble crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch, wrap the yarn, 3 chains, insert the hook into the same stitch where you have made the treble crochet and make a slip stitch, 3 more petals, 3 chains, a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch and wrap the yarn, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops, yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops, 3 chains, insert the hook here where you have worked the treble crochet and wrap the yarn. So pass the yarn 1 loop through the other, which is make a slip stitch, 2 more times, 3 chains, a double crochet into the next stitch, 3 chains, insert the hook into the same stitch where you have worked the treble crochet stitch and wrap the yarn, and then pass one loop through the other, and for the last time 3 chains, a treble crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch, three chains, and insert the hook where you have worked the treble crochet stitch and make a slip stitch here, and that's it. 6 petals flower here, and stretch the short part of the yarn to close better the center of the flower. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye.